friendship, marriage, relationships, all these find their fulfillment spontaneously in fully developed potential of the individual. If the individual has fully developed potential, he will enjoy friendship, relationships, marriage to the fullest extent. If the potential, half potential is lived, then half enjoyment of the possibility through relationships, friendships, marriage, everything, half. If 1/4 potential is lively inside, then all the relationships, friendships, marriage, everything will be enjoyed in the 1/4 of the possibility. Possibility will be great, but the actuality of achievement will be only 1/4. One can be to others to the extent one can be to oneself only. If I can't have that fullness of life to myself, how can I be to others? Only in that measure, in whatever measure I am to myself. Therefore, the key to relationships is to take care of our own self. We meditate, and then our potentiality is being used more and more through practice, and then a time will come when we are using our full potential and we are fully developed heart and mind, and with fully developed heart and mind, all relationships will be enjoyed just because we are able to give maximum of ourselves to others. When we are able to give maximum from our side, we are spontaneously capable of deriving maximum from the other side. It's always that. Mother gives maximum to the child, and then the child responds to the mother. It is the unrestricted flow of love from the mother's heart that nourishes the child, that brings the child up. So, the basis of enjoyable and successful relationships is the level of pure consciousness, which is so easy to gain through TM.